Hello, everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our newly initiated taught postgraduate program, Master of Science in Aviation Engineering. First, I will briefly introduce the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, Faculty of Engineering, and Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering. Then, I would like to talk about some recent research activities conducted in our department. Last but not least, I will introduce the program structure, curriculum, mode of study, and entrance requirements. I suppose most of you are already very familiar with PolyU, so I will quickly go through this part. PolyU was founded in 1937 as the first government-funded post-secondary technical university in Hong Kong, and later was renamed the Hong Kong Polytechnic University in 1994. PolyU is located at a very convenient location connecting Kowloon and Hong Kong Island. This slide shows some landmarks at PolyU, including Hotel Icon, Innovation Tower, Industrial Center, and Library. PolyU consists of 8 faculties and schools offering programs covering applied science, business, construction and environment, engineering, health and social science, humanities, design, hotel, and tourism management. Last year, there were almost 9,000 students graduating from PolyU. Most of them are undergraduate and postgraduate students. As you can see, Faculty of Engineering is the largest faculty and actually is one of the founding disciplines of PolyU. There are in total 7 departments in Faculty of Engineering. Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering, or AAE for short, is one of them. In recent years, under the rapid growth of aviation industry in Hong Kong and aerospace industry in China, aeronautical and aviation engineers are increasingly demanded. Towards this end, AAE was established in July 2016, which is the first department in Hong Kong specially targeted at aeronautical and aviation engineering. In 2021 QS World University Ranking, PolyU ranks number 75 internationally, number 25 in Asia, and number 6 among young universities below 50. The number was recently updated in 2022 QS ranking. PolyU ranks number 66 globally. As an outstanding research university, the research funding secured by PolyU last year was almost 1 billion Hong Kong dollar. 7 strategic research domains have been formulated, as you can see. Aerospace and aviation take up 2 of them. It is expected that aeronautical and aviation engineering will be a focus area at PolyU at present and in the future. Now, AAE has 17 academic staff, including 2 professors, 2 associate professors, 8 assistant professors, and 5 research assistant professors, and we are recruiting more. There are 6 major research areas, including aviation engineering, satellite communication and navigation, aerodynamics, flight mechanics and control, aerospace structures and materials, and aerospace propulsion and combustion. In terms of aviation engineering, we are studying the level of situational awareness of air traffic control officers. Situational awareness means being aware of what is happening around you. This is of critical importance to the decision-making processes, hazard perception, and operational safety in air traffic control. We apply psychophysiological technology to the evaluation of situational awareness, including eye tracker and electroencephalogram, or EEG for short, which records brain activities. Another highlight is a robust flight path planning to control contrail. Contrails are line shaped clouds observed behind an airplane, which are produced by aircraft engine exhaust under some specific atmospheric conditions. Recent research revealed that contrails contribute to global warming significantly. With the information of atmospheric temperature, humidity, and pressure, we propose a weather data data-driven flight path planning to effectively reduce the formulation of contrail. The major research activity, the major research facility is an A320 flight simulator. We also focus on a full spectrum of satellite communication and navigation from receiver design and signal processing, positioning and navigation, mapping and sensors fusion to integrity monitoring. The applications range from smart devices, autonomous driving and flying, and civil aviation navigation. In recent years, we have been collaborating with Huawei in developing global navigation satellite system positioning in smartphones. As for aerodynamics, we focus on hypersonic flow. A hypersonic speed is one that exceeds 5 times the speed of sound. Hypersonic flight technology is extremely important to national aerospace security and development and has become a hot issue in the field of aerospace engineering. Flow transition from a laminar state to a turbulent one significantly increases the friction drag and aerodynamic heating experienced by a hypersonic vehicle. The transition mechanism is more complex in hypersonic flow than that in its low-speed counterpart. In fact, the dominant instability wave has an acoustic nature. We propose to use acoustic metasurfaces to manipulate the instability wave to control and delay laminar turbulent transition. In addition, hypersonic flow is usually accompanied by high temperature effects or thermochemical non-equilibrium effects. The thermochemical properties of air deviate from the properties at normal conditions. Quantum effects and chemical reactions become important. We are developing accurate and efficient thermochemical non-equilibrium models to consider these effects. We are also interested in shock-wave boundary layer interactions. The major research facility is a supersonic, hypersonic wind tunnel, the one and only in Hong Kong. In terms of flight mechanics and control, we are developing transition control algorithms for VTOL tail-seater UAV. VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing, which combines the advantages of quad rotors and fixed wing planes. Here, transition refers to the phase transition between hover and cruise modes. We are studying how to deploy multiple UAVs to efficiently monitor targets in an area of interest and to achieve UAV autonomous flight in unknown environment using a simultaneous localization and mapping system. We also focus on the development of multifunctional nanocomposites, and nanocomposite ultrasonic sensors for different applications. In terms of aerospace propulsion and combustion, we conducted one of the first studies of carbon dioxide, thermochemical non-equilibrium, and radiation under conditions relevant to Mars exploration missions. We also devote ourselves to the development of oblique and rotating detonation engines, which are very promising for next generation high-speed propulsion systems. Considering the rapid growth of aviation industry in Hong Kong and aerospace industry in China, we believe that it is time to initiate this taught postgraduate program, Master of Science in Aviation Engineering, which is the first comprehensive MSc program in Hong Kong, covering both aviation and aeronautical engineering. This program provides two specialisms. One is aviation operations and management, which has 7 core subjects ranging from guidance, navigation, and advanced avionics system, human factors, air traffic control, operations research, the application of artificial intelligence, aviation technical services to fleet management. Aeronautical engineering also has 7 core subjects. Actually, these two specialisms share the same first two subjects. The other subjects in aeronautical engineering include aerodynamics, computational fluid dynamics, aircraft structures and materials, aircraft design, flight mechanics and control, and air traffic propulsion systems. This program provides a hybrid mode of attendance, face-to-face or mixed mode, and 100% online mode. All the teaching activities, including assessment, will be conducted in the hybrid mode and recorded. During the pandemic, all the classrooms in PolyU have been upgraded with cameras and seating microphones, which enables effective and efficient hybrid teaching. For the mixed mode, the normal duration of full-time students is 1.5 years, whereas it is 2.5 years for part-time students. All the class will be in the evening, starting from 6:30 to 9:30. By contrast, 100% online students will be registered as part-time students only, whose normal duration is 2.5 years. Nominally, extension of normal duration is not allowed unless you have a strong justification. Also note that 100 online mode is only available for non-local students, whereas local students can only choose the mixed mode. Each subject has 3 credits in total. 30 credits are required for graduation. There are 2 options that lead to different awards. In option 1, you take 10 subjects with 6 of them from the AAE core subject list, as shown in the previous slide. Then, you will be awarded a generic award. If these 6 subjects are from a certain specialism, you can choose to get an award with the corresponding specialism, for example. If the 6 subjects are from the aeronautical engineering, and then you can choose to get an award with specialism in aeronautical engineering instead of a generic one. In option 2, you can choose a dissertation, which is equivalent to 3 subjects or 9 credits. Then you need to take 7 subjects to graduate, with 4 of them from the AAE core subject list. Similarly, you will be awarded a generic award. If these 4 subjects are from a certain specialism, then you can choose an award with the specific specialism. For option 2, you need to approach one of our academic staff to discuss on the dissertation topic. As far as I know, our academic staff tend to choose PhD candidates from their MSc students. To encourage you select the second option, scholarship opportunity will be provided with 5,000 Hong Kong dollars per month, up to 6 months. This program is self-financed with 4,700 Hong Kong dollars per credit for local students and slightly more expensive for non-local students. The application deadline is 30 April 2022. Now we have 6 quotas for the mixed mode or face-to-face mode and 30 quotas for the 100% online mode. As for the entrance requirements, a bachelor's degree with honors in engineering, science, or technology, or equivalent qualifications are required. Special considerations will be given to candidates who have relevant working experience. For example, if you are an air traffic controller or air traffic maintenance engineer. Applications who are not native speakers of English and the bachelor's of degree or equivalent qualification is not awarded by institutions where the medium of instruction is not English. They are required to fulfill the English language requirement, 80 for TOEFL and 6 for IELTS. For inquiries on application and admission, you may contact the academic registry of PolyU via email or find more information on their website. For program information, you can contact me, the program leader, or Dr. Cao, the deputy program leader, via email. So thank you for your attention. I look forward to seeing you in the near future at PolyU in AAE. Thank you very much.